Hello, my name is Uzi Kohain and I'm your motivated loan officer for life. So I want to talk to you today about rate shopping. If you're seeking a rate and you want to try to get the best rate for a mortgage, there's a possibility you might see more than one lender. Now, this isn't advised, but if you do it, there's a possibility that each time you make an application, your credit could be pulled and you could have multiple inquiries on your credit report. And this could cause a slight reduction in your credit score. Now, ultimately, over a period of about 15 to approximately 45 days, eventually the credit bureaus will realize that you are shopping for a mortgage, and all of these inquiries should be viewed as a single hit on your credit report. Now, if this doesn't happen, of course, you can always make the request for all of them to be combined into one and just have one hit. But there are other options, and I'm going to give you a very good option. If you have a motivated loan officer, your motivated loan officer may offer you an opportunity to do a soft pull. If your loan officer performs a soft pull on your credit, then there will be no hit on your credit report, and you will have the ability to show to them or display to them what your credit scores are without having a hit to your credit report. So I hope this helps you. And where I'm from, we say Shalom Uvracha. It means peace and blessings, and I wish you the same.